Today is my turn to play with the Dragy. Today is my turn to play with the Dragy. It's the first time I've used this, so I've been kind of charging it on the way out to Mexico. We're gonna see what happens. So I'm truly, honestly not even sure what the good 60 to 130 time will be, but we're here at the only place there was to stop in the middle of Mexico. So I stopped, pulled over. I'm gonna sit at the Dragy, and yeah, we'll give it a shot, see what happens. Your guess is as good as mine at this point, so I guess we'll see what both my skill and my car can do. I have ordered some power adders, or I guess I should say a power adder, a major power adder, for my Camaro SS1LE. And the original plan was to do nitrous on this car, just because what I'm really looking for is that instant torque. But to be completely honest with you, I ordered an entire nitrous kit, a complete nitrous kit, of which I do indeed still have for sale. I did not install it on the car. I kind of went back and forth a little bit with, do I want to, do I not want to? And to be completely honest with you, I'm just a little scared of nitrous, just because I don't have any experience with it, and I don't have anyone that I directly know that has very much experience with it. So it just kind of scares me, which it's just lack of experience is all it is. So I have decided to sell that complete kit and go with a different power adder, a different certain something that I have indeed already ordered, and I am waiting on arrival. And unfortunately, I've heard arrival is going to take a while. So in the meantime, I figured I'd play with the car the way it is, basically stock. We've dynoed it. Previous dyno, we got 430 horsepower to the wheels and 440 torque, I believe it was. Something like that. Anyway, we haven't done really anything since then with this car, so it's time. And I'm excited. I'm ready. I cannot flip and wait, but apparently I'm gonna have to. So in the meantime, we'll get some baseline numbers, and then when the fun stuff gets here, then we'll get some comparison numbers, along with, you know, change in my reaction, change in my response to said fun items. So anyway, let's get this going. I'm gonna go ahead and connect to the Dragy, get it set up where it needs to be, and then we'll get out here on these Mexican roads. And first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and do a 60 to 130, and we'll see how that goes. There's not really a place for me to do a 0 to 60 or anything like that, just because of the way that this particular location is set up. So I'll have to try that again somewhere else, but for now we're going to try the 60 to 130 and see what kind of time we get. So keep watching. Let's go. what it is we're supposed to be aiming for. I probably should have asked him before I left the house, but I vaguely remember hearing him say something along the lines of 8, 9-ish, something like that. So we'll see. It's fun though. It's fun trying to figure it out. We're gonna try one more. What I was aiming for was my 60 to 130. 60 to 130 on the second try was 12.79 seconds, which, as I said, I don't think is very good. I don't know exactly what I'm shooting for specifically, to be completely honest with you, but I know 12, almost 13 seconds ain't it. So, goal, I would imagine, like I said, I would imagine goal is more like 8-9 seconds for this, you know, basically stock car. Now, realistically, it's probably more like 10 or 11 seconds, and the 12.79 is lack of skill on my part, but that's where practice and experience come in. So, which is exactly why I'm out here in Mexico today, getting more real seat time, not just driving it to work and home and parking it at Cars and Coffee and stuff like that. Also, you guys, while I'm doing this here turnaround, also make sure you guys go and check out our merch store. We've got a few new things. Javi's been working on some new designs, and there's going to be a whole bunch more new designs coming out. But the quality of the t-shirts is actually really, really good. There's t-shirts, there's zip-up hoodies, there's pullover hoodies, tank tops, all kinds of stuff. Third try. Damn it, I love that.
Uh-oh.
God. Fucking Dodge Charger just drove by, scared the shit out of me. Y'all don't even say that that shit hadn't happened to you, because you know it has. Alright, that's my cue. It's time to go home. Jesus, that scared the shit out of me. Well, if it makes a difference, I did better that time. 12.27. So, see there? I just need some seat time and some practice, and we'll get there. And shit, why not? It's fun doing it, so why not play around? However, now I need gas. I've got about 1/8 of a tank. So, to the gas station we go. It's not been very long since I've been to the gas station. Not today, but, you know, V8 life, baby. There are consequences. Pros and cons either way. Now we have a baseline for to build off of for when my go fast parts get here, which I'm very excited about, and I don't know if I'm going to survive. I know I'm a little dramatic, but I don't know if I'm going to survive this wait time, because apparently the wait time is excessively long, and I'm not a very patient person. I don't tolerate having to be patient very well. It's my own fault. I should have, this was what I wanted to go with to start with, and then I settled for something else, and then I, you know, back and forth. So What I should have done was I should have just went with what I originally wanted to start with, what was on my mind to begin with, and I was, like I'm sure some of you have done, I was trying to cheap out and go a different route, a cheaper route, something I didn't have to wait for, and I bought the nitrous kit, and the more I thought about it, the more it wasn't what I wanted. So I didn't want to go ahead and install it and go through all of that and get it tuned for the nitrous and then decide that I wanted to go the other route anyway. So anyway, the other route has been ordered. It got ordered on actually Black Friday, and I've been told by the company I ordered it through that it probably won't be arriving until Valentine's Day. Yeah, Valentine's Day-ish. Hopefully a little sooner than that, because I know I'm probably driving Marty nuts. I literally check for a shipping confirmation just about every single day. And I update him to the fact that there has been no shipping confirmation thus far, every single day. So, yeah. So anyway, that's where we are. Camaro, not much has changed, except for we have big plans in the works. And I know Marty's been continually teasing you guys with the fact that there's big stuff coming, and to be completely honest with you, totally fair to him, we indeed had big plans coming, and then I changed my mind. It was totally me. But yeah, I changed my mind. I didn't want to go with the nitrous kit after all. We already had it all planned out, the whole install day and everything, and I completely hit the brakes on that the whole plan. So alright guys, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give us a like. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. If you have, I really appreciate it. And go ahead and turn on that bell notification also, so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. Alright guys, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.